If in this video I will share a coin with all of you that will give you around 1000% right now, and right now the price of this token is only and only $2.30, but already it hit the mark of all-time high, and that was around $8,500. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us because this will be life-changing opportunity for all of you, because right now the public sale of this token is ongoing and you will get this token in only and only $2.30. And for example, if it will go 1000%, you will be rich. So it's like a new BTC in the market for all of you. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
The Timecoin token is an Ethereum-based native token created to support the functions of the Timecoin protocol. The Timecoin token will function as the mean of the payment for the goods and services to users throughout the dApps built upon the Timecoin protocol, the mean of the payment for the transaction fees, and the allocation of the rewards for the platform supporters. A portion of Timecoin tokens earned and transaction fees are redistributed to users on the platform. Right now, this token is available on the Bitforex exchange, and the current price of one token, 1 TMCN, is at about $208. It is available on the Bitforex, so you can easily check. I will share all the links in the description. But if I say one thing, that if you want to buy the token right now, you will get 1 TMCN, and the token sale is at only and only $2.30. Yeah, I'm not lying. You can check it here. Here comes the entire token sale page of the TMCN. Already this token will reach here. You can see, first of all, Timecoin token was listed on and the offering conducted by the Bitforex, one of the top performing global cryptocurrency exchanges, on November 11th, 2020. The IEO price of the Timecoin was 1 TMCN as about $0.7 at that time. The initial price formed after the IEO was 1 TMCN is equal to $11 and continued to rise. The price change on that day ended up plus 2850% from the initial price. As of the December 18th, 2020, it still remains at the level of 1 TMCN is equal to $11. Also, TMCN price hits the record high, and 1 TMCN was at $8,500 on February 18th, 2021. Here you can check the entire data on the Bitforex, because this token already reached up to $8,500. So if you are going to purchase the token right now from the public sale that is ongoing, and as I showed you here, you can see, for example, if you are going to buy it with BTC, then you have to pay only and only $2.30 at the moment, and you can easily buy that token. And for example, if you are going to buy it with Ethereum, then the same price, I think 2.25 or 2.20, and if you are going to buy it with USDT, it will cost you only and only $2. So basically the public sale is ongoing, and if you are going to hold this token, I'm not saying that you have to invest a huge amount, but for example, if you are going to invest only and only $100 at the moment, definitely you will make some good amount of money, because already this token reach up to $8,500. So again, I'm not saying that it will reach again that one mark, but still, if it will go up to maximum $2,000, you will make huge amount of money, huge sum of money, and directly you can withdraw your funds from the Bitforex exchange. So how you can participate in the token sale? It is entirely very easy. Basically, here you can see the Timecoin will be available for the purchase from the Shenzhen Helle in BTC, USDT or Ethereum. For both rounds, the purchases will be accepted from 0.015. Oh, sorry, I was wrong here. I'm saying that basically that you can buy it with only $100, but minimum participation fee is $500. So you can easily participate with $500, 0.015 BTC, 500 USDT or 0.3 Ethereum. If no payment is received by the Hale within 10 days of the purchase application, the application will be automatically cancelled. So right now you have the chance to purchase this token only and only with $500. And at this time, if you are going to buy it with $500, you will get up to, I think, minimum 250 or 240 tokens. So for example, with a simple maths, I will show you something that, for example, if you are going to buy it with $500, definitely the price, for example, reach up to $2,000 even, definitely you will make at least $40,000. So it is the one of the best deal which I am sharing with you. Here you can see apply to purchase via the form, and then you have to fill up the form. For example, right now I'm going to click over here and I'm going to fill up the form for all of you. Then you can easily understand that how you can fill the form and get these tokens, because right now you have the time up to April 30th 2021, and after that the price will increase. At that time, in the second round sale, the price will increase from 0. For example, about 0.00004, and the price will increase up to 0.00009 BTC. So that will be around $5. So right now, if you are going to buy it, then you have to pay only and only $2.30 for each token. So simply you have to come on this page. I will share the link. You have to click on the apply option, and easily you can purchase this token, the Timecoin protocol. So what is Timecoin all about? Basically, this token will use in the real life first of all, and also it will work for a number of dApps. Here you can see the main things. For example, the dApps to be launched on the Timecoin protocol will be the Time Ticket. The Time Ticket is a mature sharing economy marketplace from the term behind Timecoin protocol. 250,000 Time Ticket users will become the users of the Timecoin protocol once sports test over. And some main features of the Timecoin which make it entirely unique, that is decentralized application common libraries, open source search server, Timecoin protocol, and interplanetary file system IPFS. And that is basically the need of the entire crypto market. And at this time, only Timecoin, the Timecoin protocol is offering that one. So if you want to know more, simply you can message the team, because the team is available for you 24/7 on their entire social media. And if you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and it's the best chance for you to hold this token right now for some big gains. Thanks a lot.